Hey everyone, welcome back. Last time we set up ComfyUI on Kaggle's free GPU to do text to video with Wan. Today we are doing image to video. You give it one image and Wan 2.2 turns it into a short animated clip based on your prompt. And the best part, it's still completely free, still just Kaggle T4 GPU, no local install needed. So let's start with this notebook. We are using Wan 2.2 image to video setup for this, and as we know, their T4 GPU is used here, which gives you approximate 16 GB of VRAM. So we have to find I had to find a model that's suitable for this configuration, and I found in this repository, because we have to use this GGUF model for the lower GPU VRAM, and this is the repository we are using. And I had tried many models here, and specifically worked for the Kaggle this V10, and I have used one of this model Q4. Somewhere here Q4, and that will gives you the actual image to video configuration. So, and I have to install other setup as well from this repository, so you don't need to worry about. I have everything tied up into the notebook in the Python course. To just run it, install it, everything will be automatically moved to the correct folder. Your ComfyUI setup will be ready to use. Alright, so let's start with this notebook itself. Before we start, we need to make sure that you have enabled the GPU on your notebook. If you want to refer how to enable GPU for your notebook, you can refer my last video. I have everything you needed to set up this GPU in your Kaggle notebook. Okay, so once you are here, you have enabled GPU for your notebook. You can just copy this code. I will share this code into the description of this video. Okay, so let me walk you through. So there are 5 steps we need to do. One is install dependencies, and then download the models that I showed you earlier, and then install the Cloudflare Tunnel, because the ComfyUI will run inside the local URL, so you need to expose it publicly to access it through your browser. And then start your ComfyUI, and then create the tunnel to get the URL. That's all steps you need to do, and everything is already written. Hopefully it will work for you in one click. Like you can just open this notebook, copy this notebook, and just run all, and just go to the last step and grab the URL. Okay, so in the first step, we are installing dependency. We are doing the PyTorch and a ComfyUI manager update, and I'm using this KJNodes ComfyUI-GGUF to running the GGUF model, and this VideoHelperSuite, some custom nodes required here, and this Cloudflare to get the URL running out of this Kaggle. Okay, and the next step, so I already run these all steps. The next step is to download the models, and we are using this Wan 2.2 image to video, the model that I showed you earlier, and also some other dependencies, models like VE, text encoder. All you can find in that repository, or already I have downloaded code here. Okay, so once your models are downloaded, like here I already run this, it's require you can see this, calculate this like maybe less than 20 GB, 20-30 GB, not more than that. And you may have noticed I am using, because the Kaggle working directory will give you only 20 GB. So in order to run this model, we need to use this temp file, temp folder. So Kaggle temp specifically to run, to copy or download the models more than 20 GB. So that's the reason I'm using temp here, because in temp Kaggle gives you a 60 GB of space to use. Okay, so once your model are downloaded, the next step is to run the Cloudflare, and then just run your ComfyUI, running your main Python file ComfyUI, and then the last step would be to run it, run this code to create the tunnel and get the URL. So make sure you have this port similar to the the previous step where you have started in the local here, and you create the tunnel for this port, and that will give you the URL like here. And make sure you don't click on this, sometime it gives you the error, so you have to copy paste it and use it like this. Okay, alright, so I'm running this, copying this URL and accessing this here in my browser, the ComfyUI. And the next step is to do, once your ComfyUI is up and running, to download the model and open here. Alright, so once you are here, you can just go to the file and open, and I will share the workflow with you. Okay, and this workflow give you a couple of errors, so you can just ignore it, it will go away. Just click on this, you like this. So this is the image that you need to choose. You can upload any image. So once you upload the image, it will that error will go away. Okay, so now you have everything. The next step is to prompt here, and you can use negative prompt also that you don't want in your video. I will include these negative prompts as well into the actual file. So let's write prompt like tiger walk across the road. Okay, and the next step would be to adjust the length of the video. So here is using 81, 125 is like gives you around 5 seconds, 6 seconds, and 180 gives you 3-4 seconds video about for this image. So 3 step: load your image, give your prompt, and then adjust the length you want for your video, and then hit run. Okay, so now let's see how it's working. So I already started this. I already generated a previous generation, but let's generate a new one to show you guys how much time it will take. So I will pause here and then wait for this to come up, and I'll tell you what time it took. Okay, our video is here. Let's see. Okay, so it's generated 3-second videos, and it took around 5 to 7 minutes because it's low VRAM, and we are using Wan 2.2. there are latest version as well, but still you get the free video. This is the drawback of like you have to wait for 5 to 7 minutes for this 3 minutes clip. And I also generated the 6-minute clip also, that took me around 10 minutes, and this was the 6 seconds, or not minute, 6-second clip. That's a whole pipeline. Free GPU, official Wan 2.2 model, image in, video out. If you want push further, there's 14 billion version of this model exists too. It just need 2 models files instead of 1, and slightly more involved graph. Let me know in the comment if you want to follow on that. Notebook link is in the description. As always, if this helped, drop a like and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next one.